Ticker symbol ORCL, that's going to be Oracle. It's interesting here on the daily chart because we had this huge drop in here with obviously the big pullback on Monday's trading session. High to low in here, right around $9. So 176.88 to 167.55. That was your highs and your lows in here today. So right around a $9 move that we had. You got a $6 expected move coming up by this Friday's expiration. IV ranking here through the roof 100%. So everything is juiced in here relative to itself. What are we expecting now? Well, we have this support down here at the 165 level, but we have to see if this 167s if they're going to hold or not. Right now, they're kind of in the middle, not a whole lot going on. So we did get saved in here right around that level, but really, I mean, that was the support back here at a couple of these candles here right in December. But really, the major support that we're going to be looking for is going to be that 165. Resistance wise, that 9-day EMA carrying a lot of weight, 174 currently. That's going to put us kind of right at that expected move by this Friday. And above that, we're going to be looking at this 178 area in here. We had a hard time breaking it. Actually, we did break it 2 days, 2 sessions later, just dropped through the roof. And you can see back in October, that was a nice area resistance for us. And then it was also support here for a little while in November and then early December. Now, our RSI, we're basically neutral. We're down here right around 45. Volume needs to creep up as well. I thought maybe a big pullback in here would give us some more volume, but maybe Friday or Monday session will give us a nice little green candle in here with some good volume. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Or we might have to bounce off this 165 first, little consolidation, and then rip up in here to kind of go back to that 9-day EMA at the 175s. Not sure, but again, we're going to have to wait and see what happens. $6 expected move, like we said, March 10th, you're going to have earnings in here. So that whole earnings cycle, there's a lot of IV in there right now. It's looked like it's not calculating expected move, but you can probably price in right around a $10 expected move for that March 14th expiration, as well as that March 21st expiration. If you go all the way out to April, you have right around a $20 expected move in there with your IV around 44%. So a lot of juice in here, a lot of IV relative to itself, and even more kicked in on this big pullback in here. And again, the highs in here 176, the lows 167. So right around that $9 high to low move in here on Friday. So we'll have to wait and see if this 165 can hold. If not, then we're looking at this lower trend line here at the 157s. If it does hold, we get a bounce. 174.4, that 9-day EMA is going to be our first resistance. Above that, 178, and then we'll be working our way up here to the 180 channel, which is going to be that upper trend line here on our wedge. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested. You can find all of our socials in the description below.